Hey guys, what's up? Scratch Tutorials here, and we're here with another Scratch tutorial with categories. So, I've decided we'll be doing events, so you know what all these mean. So, yeah, sorry for that banging, hot off my t-shirt. So, yeah, we've been using this, we know what this does. We've used this, and we've used this. So, these I'll explain a little bit more. I'll drag them all out first and remove them when we've done it. So that one's self-explanatory. Too much. When something receives it, broadcast and wait for a reply. So yeah, here's pretty much it. I'll delete them when we've explained them. So 1 second. That's maybe a message from me, so I'll be right back. So it was a message for me, so now I'm back. I'm now recording the rest of this. So the green flag where it's clicked is quite self-explanatory. I'll explain it a little. So when you click this, see when that goes yellow? That means something's activated it. Because I click on that, when that is clicked, that'll activate. So now we're on to when space is pressed. So see your space bar. When that's pressed, it'll activate that. And it changes that because it's running a script. And then you can change the key here. If you want, click the drop down arrow. You can just put your mouse down and choose a key. Like if I do 8, if I press the key 8, it'll activate it. If I do down arrow, or like I do H, it'll activate it. So now, when sprite is clicked, so when whatever in here is clicked, if it's got the script in it, it'll activate. So when I've done that, it runs the script. So that's it. So when it's the backdrop switches, it'll activate that. So if I quickly do when this is switched, looks, set backdrop to number next backdrop. When it's switched to backdrop 2, backdrops, new backdrop, and then lines. So when it's set to that, when backdrop is switched to backdrop 1, it'll activate that script. Because I'm pressing space to change it, it activated when I press space. But say I make it move 10 steps when the background switches. You see? That is still running that script. So that's that. So when I receive message, has to have one of these that have been used. Because it can't receive the message if the message hasn't been sent, can it? You can add messages here or rename messages like this. Show senders, clear, show rename. And to be a sender, you've got to when I get the when I receive. So show senders, and it'll put them in green. So now if I show receivers, and then hide them there, it'll then display there. So when I receive gone, broadcast something, which means if you broadcast it and somebody receives it, it'll run a script. So yeah, this one will broadcast something and wait for a reply, so something to be sent back. So yeah, that's it for the events category. Next episode we'll be doing the controls. So bye!